mga millennials, another food review na naman tayo for today's vlog. Tikman natin mga millennials ang bagong mga burgers and footlong with lots of drinks. Dito lang yan sa Migoy's Burger, located at Plaridel, Angeles City, Pampanga, beside Porac Bank. Without further ado, let's start! Try natin itong kanilang triple meat burger. Guys, napaka-affordable. Buy one, take one. Tikman natin, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Very meaty yung patty niya. Very juicy. Of course, meron siyang ham, cheese, and patty. Awesome! Next naman, try natin itong kanilang cheeseburger with barbecue. So, meron siyang cheese and patty. Sarap, guys. Ham and cheese. Ang sarap, guys. Kung gusto nyo naman magpa-deliver mga millennials, mag-message lang sa kanilang Facebook page. Next naman, try natin itong Mig Spam. Guys, malambot yung kanilang bread. Sarap. Guys, tikman naman natin ang kanilang footlong. Yung footlong nila, guys, meron patty. Mga millennials, ang laki nito, guys. Good for sharing. Okay, let's try! Ang sarap, guys. Meron siyang egg, patty, hotdog, and a lot of cheese. Bet ko to, guys. Sarap. Mga millennials, sulit na sulit. Buy one, take one, guys. Kaya try nyo na. Cheese and hotdog. Sarap. Awesome. Siyempre mga millennials, hindi pwedeng walang drinks. Kaya tikman natin ang kanilang milk tea. Hindi siya matamis. Tamang-tama lang yung lasa niya, guys. Ang sarap. Mga millennials, I'm inviting you to come and visit Migoy's Burger. Buy one, take one.
Good for sharing ito, guys, with your family or friends. Mga millennials, meron din silang promos this month of September. And soon, magkakaroon na rin sila ng rice meal. Hindi ka mabibitin, guys, since buy one, take one ito.
Napaka-affordable, masarap, at accessible siya, guys. Dito lang yan sa Plaridel, Angeles City, Pampanga, beside Porac Bank. Thank you for watching. Love, love, love!